Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. If you're watching this episode, congratulations are in order. You've made it through 2022 and we are now in 2023. It's a reason for celebration and that's what we're going to do. It's another way to celebrate, another reason to celebrate too. It's actually a day that's named National Bloody Mary Day. Who would have thought they're going to take January 1st and turn it into a day that's named after a cocktail that takes care of hangovers? How many of you have hangovers? Well, let's going to take care of this. It's the Bloody Mary. So let's get pouring. We're going to start with a pint glass. And we're going to throw a whole bunch of things in there. And first off is horseradish. We're going to take a spoon. We're going to put a couple of spoonfuls of horseradish in there. And really depends on how much heat you like in your Bloody Mary. I put 2 heaping spoons in there. Next, we're going to put some Worcestershire sauce in there. Not a word you want to say if you're hungover. And we're going to put a couple of dashes in there. And once again, depends on how hot you like it, Tabasco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As much or as little as you like. We're getting pretty close. Next, this is what's going to cure the hangover. This is the vodka. We're going to put 2 ounces of vodka in there. And next what we're going to do is take our glass and we're going to rim the glass. I'm using today tahini. Mexican spice flavoring. I like it. It's pretty good. Another popular one is Old Bay. So that's another one that you can rim with. We're going to take our pint glass. We're going to rim it with some lime juice. And then just rub it in the tahini. Okay, get rid of that. Bring our cocktail back. We need to put some ice in the glass. Put that in there so we can shake it and chill it. We're going to give this a great shake to chill it. We're going to take our glass. We're going to fill that with cubed ice. We need vitamins and minerals to recover, and we're going to use a can of tomato juice. That goes in there. We're just going to give this a real quick stir. And all that's left is the simple garnish. You've all seen celery in there. That's what makes it. That's what makes it a Bloody Mary. But what makes it a holiday Bloody Mary is what are we going to put on it next? If you've got stuff in the refrigerator, you can put it on there. We've got a whole series of things. And this is why I say, is it for brunch or is it brunch? So I'm going to start with a slider. That's going in there. What else do we like? Do we like cheese? We'll put some cheese on there. Do you like a pickle? Let's put a pickle on there. How about an olive? Olives are going on there. Pepperoncini? It's in there. It's on there. A tomato? Keep going, folks. What else we got? Got some mozzarella cheese balls. Let's put that on there. And finally, a protective cap on the end of that stick. A mushroom. That's going in there. We got a pretty good garnish going on that. We're not done yet. We got a little bit of bacon because it is breakfast time. And that, if you can fit it in the glass, goes in there too. The only thing left after this masterpiece is throwing a straw in there. And there is your New Year's hangover recovery method in a glass. Happy 2023, everyone. Happy New Year.